edition of the Merry Craftmas series. I'm so glad that you are joining me today. As most of you know, I am collaborating with my crafty BFF, Robin Pitts of Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. And I do want you to stay tuned till the end of the video because I am doing a hidden giveaway. Since I am doing a giveaway, I want to go over the rules in detail. You must be 18 years or older. This is open to US and international subscribers. International subscribers will receive an online cash payment in lieu of a physical prize. You must be a visible subscriber to each of our channels and leave a comment for this video. And I do have a short video linked below to verify your subscriptions. And I always recommend that you do watch that short video and check your subscriptions. And what I have created today is an elf boot MDC. And if you joined us for the Halloween series, you will remember I did a witch's boot, and my good friend Jenn Cascell did a tutorial for how to put together this SVG file, and I will link her channel in the description box below. And I am using Prima's Christmas Sparkle paper collection that I did pick up from ASC Craft Supplies. I am a design team member, and my coupon code for the store is Michelle10 for 10% off any of your regular price purchases. And I do love how this came out, and I thought that was so clever of Jenn to turn the witch's boot into an elf boot. So I think it is just so adorable. I'm ringing the bells here. I did put some little jingle bells there on the bow, and I just used some twine that I had in my stash, and I love it. It's the pink and cream with a little bit of silver, so it matched the paper collection perfectly. And I love this, and this is one of my favorite pages, this striped blue and white striped with the pink accent. I think that's so pretty. And then I use this matte gold paper from Michaels for my accent on the bottom of the shoe, as well as the mattes on the decorative paper. And then I ended up covering this up, but it has the little deer and that really pretty script, which is foiled. I love that about the Prima papers. On here, I have used some little Sweetheart Blossom flowers from ASC and some snowflakes from my stash, some of the chipboard and the puffy stickers. Jenn also shared that she uses the Aleene's glitter snow, and that is what I put on my project along the flowers and on the snowflakes, and I think you can really see it right here on the chipboard piece. And I love how that looks. I had never used that kind before, and I just used a paintbrush. It reminds me of a very smooth texture paste, so I really like that. I found mine on Amazon just because I didn't want to go anywhere. And then she takes her glitter duster, and you can see my glitter that I have in there, and then I just sprayed the glitter and it sticks to the wet snow. But I love that. Love the little deer here, and I use some of the Dollar Tree tulle. I have been looking for that for several years now, and I finally was able to find some blue and some white. So now I'm going to be on the hunt for the pink and the red for Valentine's Day. But I love how this came out, and I love the paper collection. And here on the back, you can see that adorable little deer. It has like a vintage vibe to me. And like I said, you can really see the script writing, and then the presidents and the little holly leaves and berries. So it's just a fun little project. I had so much fun creating it, and it comes together fairly quick. The most difficult part is this toe right here. That's kind of tricky. So you may want to practice a few times. Question that I am going to ask. I loved reading everybody's comments from the Halloween series, and I asked, what was your favorite Halloween tradition? Well, now I want to know, what is your favorite Christmas tradition? I guess the biggest tradition that I have now, of course, becoming a grandmother, you know, as time goes on, you know, you have different traditions, I think, from when your kids are little till they start growing up. Then when they become adults, they move out, get married, and now I have grandbaby. The big tradition now is we will go over and have breakfast at my daughter's house and get to watch the grandkids open their presents from Santa. Make sure to leave your favorite Christmas tradition in the comments to be entered into the giveaway, and I will be giving away the little elf boot MDC. make sure to visit Robin's channel. I will have it linked in the description box below. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.